Hello students, welcome to our mathematics class. And for today's lesson, we will discuss about simplifying exponents. Let's say we have number 1, 6 raised to 3 times 6 raised to 2. So that is 6 raised to 3 plus 2. We have now 6 raised to 5. Simplify 6 raised to 5. That is now 7,776. Number 2, we have 4 a raised to 2 b. The quantity 2a raised to 2ab raised to 3. So we have now 4, or the quantity 4a raised to 2b times the quantity 2ab raised to 3. So that is 4 times 2, a raised to 2 times a, and b times b raised to 3. So if you can notice, I multiply like terms. So we have now 4 times 2, 8. A raised to 2 times a. By the way, any number, any letter without an exponent on the right, it should be or always be raised to 1. So we have now a raised to 3, and we have now b, because that is b raised to 1, b raised to 4. Okay, so that is our final answer. Next, number 3. For number 3, we have the quantity negative 2 a raised to 7 times the quantity negative 3 a raised to 2. So that is negative 2 times negative 3 a raised to 7 times a raised to 2. So we have now negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6. A raised to 7 times a raised to 2 is a raised to 9. That is our final answer. Next, number 4. We have 5 divided by 5 raised to 2. So in this part, we will be using power of a quotient. So we have now 5 raised to 2 divided by 5 raised to 2. And that is now 5 raised to 2 minus 2. We have now 5 raised to 0. And power or power of 0 exponent, we have now 1. Okay, number 5. A over b raised to 4, open and close parenthesis, or the quantity raised to 2. We have now a raised to 2 divided by b raised to 4 raised to 2. Okay, so that is a raised to 2. So we have now a raised to 2 divided by b raised to 8, because we have 4 times 2. That is power of a power. Next, number 6. For number 6, we have m raised to 2 times m raised to 5 times m raised to 2. So we have now m raised to 2 plus 5 plus 2. We have now m raised to 9. Okay, final answer. Next, number 7. We have p raised to 2 raised to 3. So we have now p raised to 6 by the power of a power. Next, number 8, we have negative 5, a raised to 4, b raised to 2, c, open and close parentheses, or the quantity raised to 3. We have now negative 5 raised to 3, a raised to 4, raised to 3, b raised to 2, raised to 3, c raised to 1, raised to 3. Okay, that's automatically 1. So we have now negative 5 raised to 3 is negative 125. A raised to 4 raised to 3 is a raised to 12 by power of a power. So we have now b raised to 6 and we have c raised to 3. That is our final answer. Next, number 9. Negative 24 x raised to 6 divided by 6 x raised to 2. So we have now negative 4 divided by 6 is negative 4, and we have now x raised to 6 minus 2. Final answer, we have negative 4 x raised to 4. Next, number 10, we have 7 a raised to 3, b raised to 2, the quantity raised to 2. We have now 7 raised to 2, a raised to 3 raised to 2, b raised to 2 raised to 2. So we have 7 raised to 2 is 49, a raised to 3 raised to 2 is a raised to 6, b raised to 2 raised to 2 is b raised to 4. Okay, so I believe that simplifying exponents will be easier, or will be in your easiest if you will practice and practice, because when you practice, it will make your skill better. That's all for today's lesson.